G'day and welcome back to my channel. Well, it's midweek camping time. Been a little bit quiet on that front recently due to spring being the season here of getting all the garden under control. But yeah, it's Thursday and I think it's time to get out. So we're going to take the BMW, and as is customary for these trips away, I'm just going to do one necessary maintenance item on here, which I haven't done yet, and that is just replace the gearbox oil. So on these, I think it's fairly straightforward. So if we look up under here, that's the drain plug with the yellow paint on it. And I think the filling point would be this one with the yellow paint on it. So I'll just double check before I start, but I think that's what we're going to do. Alright, so hot tip, which when I first heard I appreciated, was always make sure your fill point can be opened before you drain out. So it may seem a bit counterintuitive to be undoing the drainage of the fill point, but that's why we're doing it. And that was done up to 200 foot-pounds. So yeah, all that seems pretty good. So the fill point was a 8mm H8, so 8mm hex / Allen key, and to drain, I got a nice clean white container, and we got a 19mm hip. And that wasn't too tight, which is good. We're going to get some oil on the cross pipe and the exhaust. And a little bit of sludge on that. Look at the crap coming out of that. Okay, so I really didn't expect that. So I'm going to have a slight change in plan. See if we can get in here without burning ourselves. That crossboat's pretty warm. Job done. Well, let's check out this first flush trans fluid, or the trans fluid. Definitely got some crap out of it. Okay, we're buttoned up. Let's pack up. So I'd normally take the Austrail Nomad 2, nice compact little tent, but this time around I'm trying out an Aldi Adventure Ridge tent. Now the issue with the with this Austrail is that the zip broke. I was able to fix it, but it's pretty flimsy, so we'll try that one out. It was less than $100 from Aldi, so you'll see me set that one up soon. And I'm trying another new gadget here, so this will inflate, hopefully, my bedroll, which is there in the orange bag. So this is what it is. It's a little USB air pump, and it's got a range of attachments. It's quite heavy because I suspect the battery's quite the majority of the weight of it, so yeah, we'll give that a whirl as well.
Okay, so we've not long fueled up and just passed through a little town called Bullsbrook. and we're now heading up the escarpment. So I've only got one GoPro battery with me, so this is all going to have to happen in one take. We've got a little bit of an off-road section. And hopefully we'll have enough juice for that. Turning down here. Still some water. Okay, so this is our turn off here. Back, I need to turn left at the blue tape on the branch. Picking my line carefully. As you can see, there's no one here. Straight over. Some pretty good ruts here. Going to the right. So it's left, left, right. Whoa, slippery. Almost lost the front. Alright, I made it in. So I think it's about, what's the time? 4:45. A couple of flies, nothing too bad. Overwhelming silence. Okay, so this Aldi version should go up just like the Nomad. And here's a notable difference. Aldi tent pegs are a beautiful aluminium extrusion. Right, before I put the fly on, here's something of note. The aluminium theme continues with these aluminium hoops here. Remains to be seen how they stand or hold up compared with fiberglass, but yeah, that's about it up. The fly takes about 5 minutes, so it's 280 centimeters long, and I think it's 220 wide. Does that look 220? But anyway, it's a good size, and hopefully it'll overcome the previous tent's issue of condensation. Alright, there's a finished item. I'd say decent value. It's pretty robust material. Now for my toy inflator. Gotta find an adapter that'll fit that. About my finger size. On for this one. Okay, bring the thunder. That I would say is a success. 100%. My Aldi chair. And table. Done. Alright, I got some wood that was lying around for the fire tonight. I want to get my dinner warmed up. Didn't bring matches, so I'm going to need to improvise with this setup. I'll get it lit and then stick it under there. Kransky.
Well, good morning. I made it. Compliments to the Aldi tent. No condensation, stayed really dry, so slept very well. It's about 25 minutes to 6, so I'm going to get the coffee started. Yeah, before I get the coffee started, I noticed, just by virtue of the smell of the camp, a slight issue. That's leaking. Not a massive leak, but you can smell petrol in the early morning. It's lovely here. Let's get some coffee on. Almost too hot. Perfect. Might let the coffee cool off a little. Take you for a walk. One thing to note here are the unusual wildflowers in spring. There's a little stream down here. It's pretty dry, but look at these little plants. Quite exquisite. That makes quite a nice picture with the grass trees in the background.
I'd head back for some coffee. Okay, well that's going to be it for this short video. Thanks very much for watching. Gonna enjoy my coffee, pack up and hit the road. Take it easy.